Okay, so maayong adlaw sa tanan. It's what? Thursday. Okay. July 11. Thursday. So, nagtikahurot na ang adlaw sa pahuway sa mga magtutudlo. Yes, although the opening of classes will commence on 29 of this month. Yeah, pero sa Lunes, July 15, we're gonna be reporting to school already. In fact, there will be a staff meeting. Yes. Okay. So it somehow I'm excited. Imingaw na ko klase. Pero one thing is for sure is that I'll have some changes in my ways. In my ways in teaching, in my classroom management. Yeah. But that's for the better, of course. Yes. Kanang a change, dili na siya kuan to worsen, the setup or the situation, the classroom situation. That's for the better. Because I believe that change is the constant thing in this world, right? So we always have, bisan pagkagdugay ka na sa serbisyo, ma 1 year or ma 5 years or ma 10 years or like me nga mag 18 years na karong August 1, but it doesn't mean nga okay na kaista na, di ba? So we always have room for improvement, and I hope open ang atong kuan, ang atong mind, our minds and our hearts are open to to that change, to improve. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Naman. What? Why are you wearing inside? I thought you're wearing. Mo to siya. May buntag. Enjoy your day ahead.